In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove iMessage from your iPhone. Whether you're on iOS 17 or iOS 18, we'll go through two options, one where you only disable iMessage but keep the Messages app, and another where you completely remove iMessage, especially useful if you're transitioning to a different device like Android. So let's dive right in. First, let's explore the option of turning off iMessage while keeping the Messages app intact. This is perfect if you just want to stop using iMessage but continue sending regular texts via SMS or MMS. Start by grabbing your iPhone and heading over to the Settings app. Once you're there, scroll down and tap on Apps, then find and select Messages. You'll see an option for iMessage there. What you want to do is simply toggle it to the off position. By doing this, you're effectively disabling iMessage, which means you'll revert to using standard SMS or MMS for all of your text messages. It's a straightforward switch, but make sure your carrier supports SMS, MMS, so you can continue texting without any hiccups. Now let's move on to our second option, which is removing iMessage completely. This is particularly beneficial if you're planning to switch to a non-Apple device like an Android phone and need to ensure that your phone number is no longer associated with iMessage. The first step is similar. Again, you'll go into your device's settings, navigate to apps, and then messages. Here, make sure to toggle iMessage off, just as we did before. Next, there's a crucial additional step you need to take to fully dissociate your phone number from Apple's services. After disabling iMessage, return to the main settings menu, and this time look for apps and then FaceTime. FaceTime, like iMessage, can also link your phone number to Apple's messaging ecosystem. Find the FaceTime toggle and switch it off. By doing this, you ensure your number is entirely removed from the iMessage and FaceTime network. This final step is essential to prevent any messaging conflicts or missed text messages when moving to a different platform. And there you have it. Whether you're staying on iOS and just want to disable iMessage, or transitioning to a new device and need to fully disconnect, these steps will guide you through the process. With just a few quick adjustments in your iPhone settings, you'll be all set. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps make your transition smooth and hassle-free. If you found this video useful, feel free to share it and don't hesitate to leave any questions or comments below. See you next time.